Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial we'll knit a lacy spring hat. You'll need a light number 3 yarn and size 3 mm circular short needles. You can also use double pointed needles if you're more comfortable with that. We're casting on 105 stitches. We're joining in the round and we're gonna knit 3 rounds. Now we'll start the 2x2 ribbing for about 3 centimeters. Now for the setup row, we will knit 1 round. Now we'll start the lace pattern. We're gonna knit 2, yarn over, slip 2 stitches knitwise, and then knit them together. And this is going to be the repeat for the first row of the pattern. Knit 2, yarn over, slip 2 stitches knitwise, and knit them together. Continue till you finish the first round. Now for the second row, we're gonna knit all stitches. In the third round, we're going to knit 2, knit 2 together, yarn over. In the fourth round, we're going to knit all stitches. Now we're just gonna repeat rounds 1 through 4 till the hat measures about 13 centimeters or 5 1/4 inches. We're shaping the top of the hat now, so we're gonna divide the stitches into 8 sections of 13 stitches each. For decreasing, we're going to knit together the last 2 stitches before each marker. In doing so, we'll decrease 8 stitches per round. I have finished the first decreasing round, and I'm gonna place another marker here at the beginning so that I know where to start the round. For this round, we're gonna knit all stitches. Continue to decrease like this every other row. When it gets too tight, switch to double pointed needles, or you can use another pair of circular needles as I'm doing. It's very easy, you just basically split the stitches between the two needles. Continue decreasing until there are 3 stitches left in each section. We're going to do another decreasing round, and we're gonna take the markers out. For the last row, we're gonna knit two together all around.